The JISULIFE Handheld Mini Fan is a compact and multifunctional device designed to meet a variety of needs during warm weather and travel. This product combines three essential functions into one small portable unit: a handheld fan, a power bank, and a flashlight. Its design is pocket-sized, making it extremely convenient to carry around whether you are attending concerts, traveling, or simply trying to stay cool during hot days. The fan itself features a three-stage transformable design that allows it to fold flat with hidden blades, making it easy to store and carry in a purse or pocket. It can be used as a handheld fan by folding it 180 degrees or as a desktop fan by folding it 270 degrees, providing versatility for different situations. One of the standout features of this mini fan is its impressive battery life. It offers between 12 to 19 hours of continuous cooling on a single charge, which is notably long for a device of this size. The fan is rechargeable via USB-C, which adds convenience since USB-C is a common charging standard. Users have praised the battery's longevity, reporting that it easily lasts through a full day of outdoor activities, such as festivals, cruises, and sporting events. The fan's two-speed settings provide sufficient airflow, with many users finding the lower speed powerful enough to create a comfortable breeze without excessive noise. The noise level is moderate at around 60 decibels, which is quiet enough for use in public settings like weddings or offices without drawing attention. The power bank function is a valuable addition, allowing users to charge their phones or other small devices on the go. This feature is especially useful during travel or outdoor events where access to power outlets may be limited. The flashlight function, while secondary, is a handy tool for nighttime use, such as walking in dimly lit areas or finding items in a bag. Although it may not be the primary reason to purchase the fan, the flashlight adds to the overall versatility of the product. Build quality is generally well regarded. The fan has a painted finish and a cute design, with the pink color option being popular among users. Some have noted the black version features a bare-faced design, adding a playful touch. The device is lightweight, weighing only about 4.4 ounces, which contributes to its portability. However, there are some minor usability issues reported. The hinge mechanism that allows the fan to fold has been noted to loosen over time, which can affect the stability of the fan when positioned at certain angles. Additionally, some users with shorter fingernails or smaller hands find it slightly difficult to open the fan due to the small groove designed for this purpose. Suggestions for improvement include allowing the fan to tilt more when used on flat surfaces to direct airflow closer to the face. In terms of performance, the fan delivers a surprisingly strong breeze for its size, making it effective for personal cooling in various environments. It is suitable for outdoor use, including hot and humid conditions, as well as indoor settings where air circulation is poor. The fan's compact form factor and quiet operation make it discreet enough to use in social settings without causing disruption. The JISULIFE Handheld Mini Fan has found favor with a wide range of users. Many highlight its convenience for summer festivals, travel, and everyday use. It is also appreciated as a thoughtful gift due to its multifunctionality and attractive design. The price point, around $18, is considered a great value given the features and quality offered. Overall, this mini fan stands out as a practical and innovative gadget that combines cooling, charging, and lighting into one portable device. Its long battery life, ease of use, and thoughtful design make it a must-have for anyone looking to stay comfortable during hot weather or on the go. While there are minor areas for improvement, such as hinge durability and ease of opening, these do not significantly detract from the overall positive experience. Users are encouraged to consider this fan as a reliable companion for travel, outdoor activities, and daily life, and to share their own experiences to help others make informed decisions. The link to purchase the product is available in the description, and supporting the channel through this link helps continue providing detailed reviews like this one.